let you know.
Thank you. That's because you saw me yesterday and I look terrible. Okay, so I am trying out this 3D fiber lash by Younique, which I know everybody sells. I have not reviewed yet for my blog, and I'm all just like, I kind of just want to stare at it for a while, but I guess I actually have to get rolling. So this is apparently gel, and there's fibers. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Here's one eye with, one eye without. And actually I always end up on the top with a client, so really I should be going underneath as well.
Yeah, for a girl with blonde lashes, this is life-changing.
Is it? Okay.
Because it's like you don't have to get the extensions.
Okay. So really, I mean, does it matter what I think, y'all? Because I've just saw, you know.
What do you think?
I mean, it's very lashy. Look down for me. Okay, so there's with and there's without. And I think this is probably a really good product for people. They want good lashes, but maybe they're not so much about technique. I feel like, so how can I put it? Okay, so with computers, I can't use a PC because I can't make it work. But with a Mac, it does everything for me. So I think for me, I might be able to get this effect with any kind of mascara and like any technique, but I think for anybody else, this is probably a good thing to buy because it kind of has the technique done for you and all you have to do is go back and forth. So yeah, that's all I have to say about that.